Good day, everyone. First question. The following are the exceptions to the res inter alios acta alteri noceri non debet rule except A. Dying declaration, B. Admission by co-partner, C. Admission by co-conspirator, D. Admission by previous, or letter E. Admission by silence. The answer is A. Dying declaration. The following are the exceptions to the res inter alios acta alteri noceri non debet rule. Admission by co-partner, admission by co-conspirator, admission by previous, admission by silence. It means dying declaration is accepted to the res inter alios acta alteri noceri non debet rule. Second question. A witness can only testify to facts which he knows of his personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his own perception. The answer is hearsay evidence rule. Third question. In blank cases, an officer of compromise is not an admission of liability and is not admissible against the offeror. The answer is civil cases. Let me repeat the sentence in complete form. In civil cases, an offer of compromise is not an admission of liability and is not admissible against the offeror. Fourth question. Number 4. How do you call an admission made by a party in the course of a judicial proceeding? The answer is judicial admission. Fifth question. The Latin res inter alios acta nocere non debet means? The answer is the rights of a party cannot be prejudiced by an act, declaration, or omission of another. Sixth question. A witness can only testify to those facts which he knows of his personal knowledge, that is, which are derived from his own perception. This illustrates what rule? Hearsay rule. The answer is hearsay rule. Seventh question. Evidence that one did or did not do a certain thing at one time is not admissible to prove that he did or he did not do the same or similar thing at another time. A. Previous conduct as evidence. B. Similar acts as evidence. C. Res inter alios acta alteri nocere non debet. D. Dying declarations. E. All of the above except D. The answer is letter E, all of the above except D. And D is dying declaration. Accepted po. Eighth question. What do you call the statement made by a wounded offended party immediately after he received several stab or gunshot wounds, narrating the circumstances thereof, which is admissible in evidence and which may be taken as part of blank? The answer is res gestae, or RESGESTAE, res gestae. Ninth question. X was brought before the municipal hall by angry townspeople, and everybody was pointing at him and cursing, imputing to him that they caught him in the act snatching the purse of a jeepney passenger. Despite of these accusations, X merely bowed his head and said nothing. X's silence is considered as? The answer is admission by silence. Last question. 10th question. X is an accused in a criminal case for rape. X tried to settle the case with the family of the offended party X act of setting the case is? The answer is an offer of compromise and implied admission of guilt. Thank you so much.